Dumbfoundry.
Build your AI dream team. 10 expert agents for Agent Zero. Here's a problem nobody talks about. You've got Agent Zero running. It can code, it can research, it can hack. 3 powerful roles out of the box. But what happens when you need a financial model? A legal contract review? A marketing strategy? A data analysis pipeline? You're stuck with a generalist pretending to be a specialist. The output is shallow. The methodology is missing. And you spend more time fixing the AI's work than doing it yourself. Role specialization changes everything. When you assign a financial analyst role, the agent activates DCF models, ratio analysis, and gap knowledge. A generic agent gives you a Wikipedia summary. That's the difference between an intern and a CFA charterholder. So we built 10 new expert roles. Each one is a drop-in profile with tailored system prompts, structured methodologies, and domain-specific capabilities. Zero code changes required. Just drop the folder in and it works. Let's meet the team. First, the writer. Technical documentation, blog posts, copywriting, editorial work. Style guide compliance across AP, Chicago, and APA. Tone adaptation for any audience. From API docs to social media scripts. Next, the data analyst. Statistical modeling, machine learning, and visualization. Pandas, scikit-learn, matplotlib, SQL. Hypothesis testing, A/B testing, customer segmentation, and executive dashboards. The SysAdmin handles infrastructure. Linux, Docker, Kubernetes, AWS, GCP, Terraform, Ansible. Monitoring with Prometheus and Grafana. Disaster recovery. Automation scripts. Everything DevOps. The financial analyst brings Wall Street rigor. 3-statement models, DCF valuations, comparable company analysis. M&A modeling, Monte Carlo simulations, NPV and IRR analysis. Revenue forecasting and portfolio optimization. The designer covers UI, UX, and creative direction. User research, journey mapping, wireframes, design systems. Color theory, typography, accessibility compliance. Outputs real CSS, SVG, and HTML prototypes. The legal analyst handles contracts, compliance, and intellectual property. GDPR, CCPA, HIPAA analysis. Patent landscapes, trademark research, open source licensing. Cross-jurisdiction regulatory comparison. The marketer drives growth. SEO audits, keyword research, Google Ads and Meta Ads optimization. Email automation, A/B testing, conversion rate optimization. Brand positioning and go-to-market strategy. The project manager runs the show. Scrum, Kanban, SAFe. Sprint planning, velocity tracking, risk matrices. Resource allocation, Gantt charts, earned value analysis. Executive dashboards with RAG reporting. The Educator creates learning experiences. Bloom's taxonomy objectives, course architecture, learning paths. Interactive exercises, assessment rubrics, corporate training programs. Differentiated instruction across all levels. And finally, the medical researcher. Prisma systematic reviews and meta-analyses. Survival analysis, Cox proportional hazards, epidemiological modeling. Drug safety research, Cayley calculations, and clinical data analysis. That's 10 new roles. Combined with the original developer, researcher, and hacker, you now have 15 specialized agents covering virtually every professional domain. But here's where it gets interesting. The real power isn't individual agents. It's chaining them together. Need a market research report? The researcher gathers data. The analyst runs statistical models. The financial analyst builds projections. And the writer creates the final report. For specialists, one seamless pipeline. Launching a product? The manager creates the project plan. The designer builds prototypes. The developer implements features. And the marketer designs the go-to-market strategy. Each role includes 3 files. An agent.json for metadata, a context file for identity, and a full role specification with comprehensive capabilities, structured methodology, and process definitions. Using them is one line. Set the profile name when calling a subordinate agent. Financial, legal, writer, marketer. Agent Zero transforms into that expert instantly. 15 domain specialists. 0 code changes. 1 AI workforce. Build your dream team.